Welcome to TechnoDudes. Today we will discuss about IR sensor module. What is IR sensor? Types of IR sensor, working of IR sensor, pin configuration, brief about IR sensor module, circuit diagram, features and application. What is IR sensor? An infrared IR sensor is an electronic device that measures and detects infrared radiation in its surrounding environment. Infrared radiation was accidentally discovered by an astronomer named William Herschel in 18th century. He is measuring temperature of each color of light separated by a prism. He noticed that the temperature just beyond the red light was highest. IR is invisible to the human eye as its wavelength is longer than that of visible light, though it is still on the same electromagnetic spectrum. Anything that emits heat, everything that has a temperature above around 5 degrees Kelvin gives off infrared radiation. This is the IR sensor module. Types of IR sensor. There are basically two types of IR sensor. IR sensor, active IR sensor and passive IR sensor. This is a active IR sensor and this is a passive IR sensor. Passive IR sensor and active IR sensor. Passive IR sensor infrared sensors. PIR sensors do not need an infrared source to operate. PIR sensors detect the infrared rays emitted. Working of IR sensor. An infrared sensor is an electronic device that emits in order to sense some aspects to the surroundings. An IR sensor can measure the heat of an object as well as detects the motion. These types of sensors measure only infrared radiation rather than emitting it, that is called a passive IR sensor. The emitter is simply an IR LED light emitting diode and the detector is simply an IR photodiode that is sensitive to IR light of the same wavelength as that emitted by the IR LED. When IR light falls on the photodiode, the resistances and the output voltage will change in proportion to the magnitude of the IR light received. Pin configuration, pin name and description. VCC pin is connected to the power supply input. Ground pin is connected to the power supply ground. Output pin is connected to the active high output. Brief about IR sensor module. This is the IR sensor module and this is the parts of IR sensor. Trimmer for calibration, the distance range, IR diode IR receiver, photodiode IR receiver. This pin is 5-volt power supply pin. Second pin is ground terminal and third pin is digital output. LM358 op-amp as a comparator. Circuit diagram. This is the circuit diagram of the IR sensor with Arduino. Features: 5-volt DC operating voltage. Input output pins are 5-volt and 3.3-volt compliant. Range up to 20 cm. Adjustable sensing range. Built-in ambient light sensor. 20 mA supply current. Application: infrared sensors are used to sense characteristics in its surrounding by emitting and or detecting infrared radiation and are capable of measuring the heat being emitted by an object and detecting motion. For code, go through the link given in the description. Thank you.